Hello, I am Ruturaj Nalavade. Welcome to my channel. American President Donald Trump has decided to put 50% tariff on India and it will be implemented on 27 August. Because of this tariff, the basic price will go up, so a 100 rupee item will be sold for 150 rupees. This will obviously affect the buyer and will result in loss for Indian farmers and workers. The main reason for increasing tariff, as clearly stated by America, is trade with Russia. But America is also do trade with Russia in current situation. Russia is a trusted and old friend of India. Currently, India's National Security Advisor Ajit Doval is in Russia, and in a few days, Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar will also go to Russia for important agreements. On 30 August, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will go to China, where friendly agreements may happen. Just before that, American President Donald Trump has dropped the bomb of 50% tariff. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi has rejected this threat and said, "I will not be scared of such threats for my country and my farmers." America is raising tariff value on many countries, but we should note that many other countries do not raise tariff on American products. The key point is, America has smaller population than China and India, but higher personal income, so purchasing market is big. In Indian rupees, a normal Indian can purchase 2 lakh rupees worth in a year, a Chinese can purchase 12 lakh rupees worth, and the American can purchase up to 75 lakh rupees worth. So, America is a large market and every country has a scope to sell there. Current policies of Trump are hurting India's economy. But if Indians take it seriously, they will boycott all American products and show their patriotism. By 15 August, we will see the effect. Amazon purchase will drop, people will stop watching Netflix, will find alternatives, no one will drink Coca-Cola, and the Swadeshi spirit will rise again. If American President Donald Trump tries to target Indians deliberately, the result will be shown through trade by Indian people. Jai Hind.